Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson here with MarineMax Clearwater. Here today to do a quick walk around with you on our brand new 2019 Sea Ray SLX 310. Here we are walking around the SLX 310, which is an absolutely beautiful sport and leisure boat that has plenty of room for all of your friends and family. This is a huge boat, and once you're inside you'll see what I'm talking about. I love some of the little things they do on this, like the flip down swim platform to make it easy for boarding on and off when you're swimming at the beach. Let's hop up inside here and see what it looks like. On board the 310 SLX, we've got a huge bow area for seating. Each side also has armrests and storage in the bottom, as well as two mounts for a teak table that comes included and is stored in the rear. Moving back, at the helm here, we've got a double helm seat with joystick piloting, electronic throttles, electronic steering wheel, as well as dual SIM-rad displays. To port side here, we've got a enclosure that holds the head, which is actually a pretty decent size for this boat. You've got a full, almost stand-up head there, as well as a freshwater sink. On the port side behind that, we've got another dual seat. In the back, we have a huge lounge area for all your friends and family. Also another teak table mounts right there, which is also stored in the rear hatch. Back to starboard here, we've got a freshwater washdown with a sink, as well as a refrigerator underneath, and even more seating again. Then moving back, you've got a nice walk-through to access the rear swim pad. We've got another huge seat. This is the seat that does power lift up so that you can access the tables and all their storage behind it. And then you've got a big swim platform back here, as well as your twin 300 Mercuries with the new style Verado engines, and even a flip down swim platform for easy access on and off the boat.